So in this video, I will show you how to use this Masbros cap turner adapter. And first, you should turn this thumb knot to this one, so it can move like this. Then you can put it inside the tumbler. Make sure all this part in the tumbler, and pull these two very hard and turn this thumb knot. Push it very hard, and it's now this knot is very tight, and the tumbler is tight too. This one connect to the arm, put it inside, and just turn the knot. Press, and when you put it out, turn the knot. And here also put down the tube very hard so you can turn the knot. Turn the knot to the top, and you can get it out. Okay, that's it.